where craftsmanship meets art. We refine every detail with devotion. Blending technology with art, we deliver safety and reliability beyond expectations. From the gentle opening of the door to every smooth stop, Xizi Elevators is always there, quietly guarding each ride. In every ascent and descent, it delivers steady comfort you can trust without ever having to think about it. Our self-developed traction machine delivers ultra-precise, quiet performance. Paired with the sine-cosine encoder, every ride feels smooth and effortless. Powered by intelligent control and precise, quiet drive technology, every ride is smooth, balanced, and comfortable. Our fourth-generation silent door system operates quietly, while 24/7 real-time monitoring turns safety into constant reassurance. At the first sign of risk, intelligent diagnostics respond instantly, ensuring peace of mind. With OTA intelligent upgrades, the elevator evolves continuously with the city. Xizi Victor MRL 3. Reliability beyond imagination.